This is not one of those things that I say every night. In fact, this is the first time that I can think I've ever said it from stage. And we've got people who've seen us here many, many times in concert. So they can attest to what I'm about to say, that I've never said this. It's always great to show up when there's a crowd that you don't have to talk into having a good time. You know? You don't have to convince them that, hey, it's going to be fun tonight and we're going to do all the things that we want to accomplish. We're going to dance and sing and celebrate and worship and gather together and have church, but it'd be great. And it's great when you don't have to come out and take 4 or 5 songs to convince y'all. It's like everybody's ready already. Y'all are ready already. So thank you for being out there tonight. You are beautiful, my sweet, sweet song. Sing it! You are beautiful, my sweet, sweet song. Come on! You are beautiful, my sweet, sweet song. I will sing again.